Hello and welcome. So a quick little tip here on your disc brakes and how to stop them being noisy. If your brakes are making a noise like this, I'll put the microphone close so you can hear. You can hear that catch in there. So recently I changed the brake pads on here on this bike, but of course this can happen any time and I completely forgot to adjust this afterwards. So I put the brake pads in, went for my bike ride and noticed that my discs were catching. There's two bolts on here, one there and one there. And what we need to do is loosen those off first. Loosen those first with the Allen key. So that the caliper here can move around. You can see now I can freely move. Caliper's loose, and once that's loose, press your back brake lever to engage your brakes. Hopefully you can see there, as I'm pressing the back brake lever, that caliper's moving very slightly. And that is the brakes recentering themselves. So keep the back brake lever pressed, hold it in position, and then tighten these back up without leaving go of the brake lever. Keep the brake lever pressed all the time with the other hand, or get somebody else to help you if you want, and tighten these back up. When you're sure they're nice and tightly nipped up, you can then leave loose of the back brake lever, but only when you've tightened these up. Now leave loose, and you should notice a big difference in how easy it spins. There's a big difference, and no catching. That's really nice and free, and there's no catching anymore. If it does catch again, just redo it. You might have to do it a couple of times to get it nice and free and nice and quiet. But as you can see already, that's a massive improvement. So just a quick little tip there on how to alter your back brake calipers so they're not catching on your discs, and give you a little bit of peace and quiet when you're riding your bike, because it makes all the difference, doesn't it? It's nothing worse than riding along and having your brakes catching and making all that racking, all that noise. So hopefully that was useful to you, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all later. See you later. Bye bye.